Hey everybody, this is Chuck Russell with Fishing Pleasures. I'm here with my partner Roger Eastman, and we're in the U.S.A. BASSIN Fishing Tournament again today. There's 21 boats, and we got the 18th slot. That was my bad. Dickerson Lake, it's an interesting lake. I've only fished here once in my whole life, so we have some wind to contend with today. So that's probably going to mess up the audio on the video a little bit too. But I don't know, I guess you'd call that partly cloudy. But we're going to see what we can do today. I almost broke my pole. There you go. Sounded like a good fish. Now he's around the net here a little bit. The little guy. Did he get it?
Seen him come up. That's a good fish. That's a little.
It's not the same fish. Okay. Yeah. It's quite a... It's a deep mat. Nice little bass.
Good one.
Which side?
Oh,
He's a little guy. Felt bigger, huh?
Yep.
Wow. It's giving you some... There you go. Giving you some crap. Oh man. Took my worm. Felt like a little guy too. Just trolled me. That's a fish. I don't think... Yeah, I don't think so either. It's a fish though.
Yep.
First fish of the day for me. See you later, bass. Oh, that's a pike. Oh, when he came off. Dang it, he would have kept too. He barely had just the last hook in his mouth. He waited until he was all the way up here. That we could have kept him for critter. He probably would have got us critter maybe. That was a decent pike. Oh, I got something on there. That's a fish. That's just a... Oh, it's a crappie.
Critter.
It's a nice one. We'll keep him for critter. That's a beauty. Got a fish. Oh, this is a good fish. Yeah. Nettable for sure. I hope it's a bass. Oh, it's a pike. Is he 24? Holy cow. Oh, he came off. Well, put up a good fight anyways. Oh, good fish?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds like he is.
I'm out of the weeds.
He's pretty heavy. I don't know. He's kind of short though, maybe. Good one? Are you sure? Where is he?
Maybe. That's 13 1/4.
Well, guess that's it. Got one bass and one crappie for critter. Well, folks, a view of the sunset for you, as we call it a day. So, see you next time.